What's happening, y'all? It's your boy Biggs coming at y'all with another trade recap. It is February 18th, first trading day of the week for me. I didn't trade yesterday because it was a bank holiday. So today was the start of my week, and today was a fucking disaster, to say the least. Pretty unhappy with myself. Not an easy video for me to make, but we are here and we move. Let's get right into it. Start the day, you know what I'm saying? Of course, I was very bullish on the higher time frames. We were still bullish, but on the higher time frame, or to start the session at 9:30, we had this nasty drop to the downside. And it felt like while watching it, felt like, damn, this shit's just gonna keep dropping. But we fell into this daily fair value gap, and then we eventually fell into this 4-hour fair value gap. And obviously I wasn't looking for sells because we were in a deep discount at this point. And you know what I'm saying, if you didn't catch the sell up here, you're taking a low probability setup. Well, at least in my eyes and other people's eyes that use these concepts, right? So yeah, to start the session, of course, we dropped, and then right here we had swept this intermediate term low into this 4-hour gap. So this is the first loss that I took. It was a basic inversion setup. I believe it was a 3-minute or some shit. Yeah, 3-minute inversion. Pretty quick stop out. Wasn't really tripping on that. I was only down 180 at this point. Didn't risk too much, as I never really do. And then yeah, we kept dropping. We fell deeper into this 4-hour and even deeper discount on the higher time frame. And yeah, so here we go. Here was the second setup I took, and I wish one of y'all could just backhand the fuck out of me right now for making the same mistake that I told y'all not to do in a couple videos ago. First off, I got in on the early inversion right here on the 1 minute, just because we were creating SMT with ES. And then usually I'd wait for the highest inversion to get inverted before taking the long, like for example this 3-minute right here. But I was willing to take a chance on this long right here because it looked good in my opinion, and we were creating order blocks and holding them. And then but the simple mistake I had again was placing my stop loss right here because I didn't want to risk too much. In reality, I should have just did 3 contracts instead of 4, but I did 4, so I only wanted to risk, like, you know what I'm saying, like 230, maybe, you know what I'm saying, 250. So I didn't want to put my stop at the swing low. And then y'all already know what price did. It came and smacked my stop, of course, and then continued flying up, which kind of got me on tilt. You know what I'm saying? I was like, wow, like I really did that stupid shit again, right? And then yeah, price continued to go up, make new highs, and then I wanted to get in again because I seen I would have still been in the trade had I, you know what I'm saying, had my stop loss in the right place. So I got in on the tap of this gap because, you know what I'm saying, if I'm in the trade, I'd want this gap to hold, right? We're expecting bullish PD arrays, you know what I'm saying, we're holding bullish gaps. So in reality, I got in, put my stop loss under this gap, you know what I'm saying, just keep it in mind that like I would still be in this trade, so I'd be watching this PD array anyway, you know what I'm saying, not wanting it to fail, right? And I would be at break even at this point because it had taken this high right here, which would have been a break even point for this trade. So if I would have lost this trade, I would have lost another 80. It tapped me in perfectly, and we were going into profit, thinking I was going to take out at least this high right here. And then the draw for me was really this unfilled 15-minute up here that ES ended up taking or tapping into, but NQ did not. So that was the SMT with ES right there, which caused price to fall back down and get me out at break even. And yeah, today is just a huge losing day for me. Doesn't feel good at all. You know what I'm saying? To just start the week off just down a whole lot. I know it's not a whole lot to a lot of people, but like 430 times 4, you know what I'm saying? Because I got 4 accounts still. So to start the week, I'm down fucking $430. It's my biggest losing day on the account. Oh, I guess I've had another big losing day up here, but yeah, man, this was a rough day for me to say the least. Not in the greatest mood right now, but we move, man. I'll be back. I'll be back tomorrow if we catch any good trades. I believe tomorrow we got some interesting news too. We have FOMC at 2, so fuck me. We'll see if I even get any trades before that, because the morning session seems to be dog water before FOMC takes place. So we'll see if I catch any trades before that. Might have to wait till the PM. So yeah, man. But that's it for today, man. Took a couple setups. I like this setup. You know what I'm saying? I'll take this 9 out of 10 times. You know what I'm saying? It had intermediate term low and all that, so I didn't really care. But yeah, this one right here is what got me, because there's no reason why I should have taken a loss on this fucking trade. But it is what it is, man. That's the reality of it. We're gonna continue to make mistakes, and all you could do is learn from them, you know. But yeah, I hope you all being safe in these markets, man. Thanks for tapping in, and I'll catch y'all on the next one, man. Love y'all.